Losing the weight is not the hardest part of a weight loss drug. The hardest part is what happens the day you stop. And here's the catch. The body you built on medication doesn't stay by accident. Stop the wrong way and it comes back fast. Retatrutide works by quieting appetite, but that off switch only works while you take it. The moment it clears, hunger comes back, often louder. Look at the semaglutide trials. People who stopped regained 2/3 of everything they had lost within a single year. None of that is the drug failing. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do, which means your plan for after matters more than the drug itself. So here's the number nobody prints on the label. Your regain risk is highest in the very first year off. The transformation was never the finish line, keeping it was. And remember, Retatrutide is not FDA approved. Still investigational, still in trials, which makes an exit plan non-negotiable. No one can promise you'll stay on it. Maintenance is built, not hoped for. Protein and strength training to hold your muscle. Habits that outlast the prescription. And a taper planned with your doctor. Losing it was the easy part. Keeping it off after Retatrutide. Maintaining your transformation when treatment ends. At morganreedstudio.com, this is how you keep it.